We've rebuilt trust, structure, and communication. We've learned to protect the people who carry the weight. Now, we close this week with the fuel that keeps it all going: gratitude. Welcome back to the Rest Stop. It's Friday, and before you head into your day, I want you to take a deep breath and let this truth settle in. Gratitude is not a reaction. It is a leadership strategy. Every culture has a temperature. You can feel it when you walk into rehearsal, a meeting, or a classroom. Gratitude is the thermostat. It doesn't just notice what's good, it raises the temperature of the room. Because when people feel seen, they stop performing for attention and start performing for appreciation. A thank you said consistently is worth more than 100 reminders said loudly. Gratitude builds retention. It reduces conflict. It improves communication and reinforces identity. Every thank you tells the room, this is what we value. When you thank someone for showing grace, others will show grace. When you thank someone for stepping up, others will step up. When you thank someone for staying calm, others will stay calm. Gratitude creates gravity. It pulls people toward the behavior you want more of. So here's your challenge to close this week. Say thank you out loud to someone who's been quietly consistent. Not the loudest leader, not the most visible student, but the one who quietly carries. It could be the person who cleans up every rehearsal, the treasurer who stays late balancing numbers, the parent who doesn't ask for credit, or the kid who sets the chairs without being told. Say their name, say the words, and mean them. And if you can, do it publicly. Because gratitude grows when it's spoken. I see leaders who always pour out and rarely get poured into. I see the ones who feel invisible after giving everything that they have. I see the ones who thank others but never hear it back. This one's for you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for staying kind. And thank you for rebuilding culture when no one else was brave enough to try. Your gratitude has weight, and it changes rooms even when you don't see it. So as you close week 4, carry this. Gratitude isn't what happens when things go right. It's what keeps things going right. Keep saying thank you, keep seeing people, and keep softening the room. Because culture doesn't grow from policies, it grows from people who feel valued. Next week, week 5, begins with alignment and sustaining the shift. How to protect this progress once the excitement fades. But for today, smile a little deeper, thank a little louder, and breathe a little easier because you've earned it. Because together, we're rebuilding culture. One morning, one thank you, and one rest stop at a time.